What's up, guys? It's your main man here.
Happy Tuesday, Newsday. My dad has a special song. It's a Tuesday, Newsday, but I don't know it. So
Let's hear it. Let's do it.
that was all I had.
It's a Tuesday. It's a Newsday.
Yeah. So just imagine BJ singing to you. And,
Yes.
Good times. But we are so excited to be here with you today. I am Misty, and this is Jake.
It's me, Jake.
And welcome to our living room. We're sitting at the dining room table. So,
Yes.
happy to have you here. So I have a handy dandy paper of the things I'm supposed to cover today.
Yes, we're getting close to birthday bash.
That's really the most exciting thing.
The town is abuzz.
Yeah.
We're working on all these cool, fun little things.
Yeah, all
and
the
surprises
fun little
and-
details are coming together.
Which, let's be honest, is everything.
Yeah.
The little details are the best part.
It's true. So I hope you guys have your boots and cowboy hats ready to
Yes.
come party with us next week. It's going to be really fun.
And Lisa, who's the main one putting it, shout out to Lisa.
Yes.
She's killing it. She's doing a bunch of stuff. Hopefully everything pans out. I don't want to put too much pressure.
And
'cause
also
she's
we
still got
want there
things
to
in the
be
works.
some surprises.
Yes,
So we don't want to
but-
give it all away.
Yeah, if she has anything to do with it, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be the best thing ever.
So great. So
Yeah.
we're really looking forward to it. So it is beautiful in Hamilton right now. It's getting warm again. We had this pre-fall, fake fall, we like to call it, where it cooled off.
I call it sweater weather. We got really excited.
Sweater weather.
So then yesterday, since it was so cool, we were like, okay, we put potato soup on the meal plan. I made some bread.
Yeah.
But then yesterday it got 75 degrees. We had the oven running.
I think it was 81.
It was warm.
It was warm.
We were in hoodies all week, and then we said we should have done it on Monday. But
It's okay. But it was still delicious. We had a great day.
But the weather has been gorgeous. It's been great.
And so far, I think it looks like it's going to be good through Birthday Bash. Warm, but clear. So sending all the good weather vibes.
Fingers crossed.
That's
Let's
right.
go.
And so Annie wanted us to talk a little bit about our trip to Africa.
Yes. This is the first time, reporting back from Africa.
Yes.
It was amazing. Our group,
Oh,
the best.
the best. We
best.
had the most wonderful time. Everyone was so fun and funny and just kind.
Oh, yeah.
So for those of you that joined us on our trip to Kenya, thank you.
And
we love
hi,
you guys
and
and
hi.
we miss you. It was so fun. It was the best.
Amazing. So much fun stuff to see. The elephant orphanage.
Yeah. Craft Tours does an amazing job. So shout out to them. They're just incredible. So if you're ever looking for, some fun international tours, they do a great job.
Yeah.
I'm working on some details for another tour next year. We don't have quite everything ready to share, but hopefully next time I'm on here, I can share it with you because fun things in store. Besides that, because it's the month of September and it's our birthday month,
Yes.
Golden Star is also back for all of our online shoppers. Well, in town too. But so let me read the details so I get it correctly.
All right.
It says you earn Golden Star plays with every purchase. Now through September 30th, every $10 you spend, you receive a Golden Star play. So it's all digital online.
This is happening now.
Right now,
Right
as you shop
now.
every $10 you spend.
Okay.
Your chance to win instant prizes, Golden Star cash, and entries into our grand prize drawings. So super fun. You can just enter automatically by shopping, or if you want, I know there's a way to mail in and get entries as well. So be sure to check that out. But the more you shop, the more plays you collect, and every play is a chance to win. So digital patterns, Golden Star cash.
These are prizes.
Yep.
Digital patterns.
Yep.
Yeah.
Quilting goodies shipped to you. And every $10, like I said, earns you a shot at that grand prize, which this is crazy. It's a Bernina Q16 long arm, a $12,000 value.
That is a pretty good prize. That's a pretty good grand prize.
Yeah, super cool. The other thing, I was talking to Wendy, who is on our team, and she helps kind of organize Golden Star every year. And she said that one of the grand prize winners last year won on her first time shopping with us. So that just really goes to show it's open for everybody.
Yes.
And,
1 second. I gotta let the dog in.
He's gotta let the dog in.
Keep talking.
But either way, I just thought that was so cool and just such a great reminder that it really is random. You never know who's gonna win. So if there's something that's been in your wish list,
or what is it? $10? Yeah. So
Yeah,
order a ruler.
yeah.
Just the right amount.
That's
Just
right.
get over that 10, and then maybe you'll win a $12,000 machine.
Yeah, quilting machine, pretty fun. And so we touched on this. Oh, Iris. Sorry. the chaos of home life, you know. She thinks she
let her
sees
in. Now she
something.
needs to know.
But either way, we talked a little bit about birthday bash. So let's talk a little bit more about that because it's going to be
Birthday
super
bash.
fun. Yeah. So
Wait,
as far
how much can we share?
so just a few things. So it says, what are we doing to get ready? Do you have your boots polished and ready to go for your boot scoot and boogie?
I feel like I need to get something. I do not have boots.
We better work on that. We will find him.
Maybe I won't be wearing boots, but I got a hat.
A hat for sure.
Maybe some holsters,
Yeah,
I don't know.
with a rotary cutter on one hip and scissors on the other, that's what I'm envisioning.
A dull blade. They only let me use the dull blade too.
And so I'm super excited about all the events and the shop demos that are happening in town. There's just so many fun things. And so I think some of those ticket events you can still get tickets for. One that I'm really excited about is Dee Bushrod, the Pixel Quilter. If you have not seen her quilts in person, I cannot recommend them highly enough. Her story is incredible, and her approach to making pixel quilts is so unique and special. And she has a whole program to make it easier for all of us to make our very own. So
yeah, it's one of those, once you see it, you're like, okay, maybe I can do this.
Yeah.
She gives you confidence in being able to tackle something like that.
Exactly. And so I know her trunk show still has some tickets available, so I would for sure be going to that.
That's a good one, yeah.
And then the other one that I actually think, this is the first time we've ever done it, is a quilt talk with Al.
A live one?
A live one
okay,
in the
that'd
theater.
be fun.
And so Al is Jake's older brother. He's one of the founders of Missouri Star Quilt Company, and he has this goal in life to someday become a stand-up comedian. So he's pretty hilarious.
He does a pretty good job.
Yeah, I think it'll be really fun and enjoyable. And if you're interested in hearing some of the behind the scenes kind of backstory about how Missouri Star came to be, that would be a great time.
It's very much he likes to just ask for feedback on everything, in the inner workings, the website, the stuff that you guys are interacting with daily, that some of us is man, this would be common sense if they change this, and a lot of times people don't see that until you just say something.
Exactly. And so it's a super fun opportunity. So if you have ideas to make it better, because we constantly want to make quilting better and more accessible for you guys, so that it's the best experience you could possibly have. So Quilt Talk with Al, come if you're in town. It'll be super fun. The other thing that Lisa wanted me to mention about the Pixel Quilts trunk show specifically is she is going to be raffling off a very special pixel quilt at that show, and your ticket for entry automatically gets you 15 raffle tickets. Yeah, so you don't have to buy extra raffle tickets. It's included with your entry. So that's
kind of cool. That's a great idea.
Yeah, I think that's really fun. And so anyway, I guess we didn't touch on this at the beginning, but Birthday Bash, we're celebrating 17 years of Missouri Star Quilt Company.
We're a full-blown teenager at this point.
Yeah.
We have hormones are going wild right now.
That's pretty accurate.
Yeah.
No, but it's just so fun. And so in town here in Hamilton, Missouri, from September 17th through 20th, you're invited to join us for the hoedown and celebrate the Stitch and Stampede.
No, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be the best.
Yeah, so
there's so much stuff planned. There's so much cool stuff, and it's every day I feel there's a new little fun thing. Oh, we got them to show up, and this little thing they're gonna be here. So it's one of those things that's really looking forward to.
It's just a blast. And if you don't want to, get tickets to the ticketed events, it's still a great time to come to town because there's extra vendors, free make and takes, just all kinds of fun things going on. It's just the best. It's so much fun. And we'll link to the full schedule of events and all that stuff down below. So be sure to check that out.
Here.
Yes,
with the fried pies.
Is our good Amish friend. He makes delicious fried pies.
The other one that you guys got to check out. These are local
secrets.
Yeah, Nina Shirtlift does a cookie, which I don't know if she'll be there, but if she does, she doesn't make very many. But
Jake is a big fan
of peanut
Nina's
butter
baked goods.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
They're so yummy. So now you know.
I may have a problem.
He does. If there's any left, you're lucky, because if not, he's probably bought them.
I've already been to the food. I normally do a quick clean out.
It's so true. Well, besides that, we hope we see you
gosh,
at Birthday
9
Bash.
minutes. Yeah, we've been on here for
but
too long.
I have other things I want to share.
We need to go for more. Yes.
Yes. So yesterday, a very special tutorial to me released on At Home with Misty, which is over on the Missouri Star YouTube. If you haven't checked it out, it is called Favorite Things Embroidered Charms. And I thought I would show you the quilt that inspired it. So this was the quilt that was on my bed as a little girl. You can see it's torn. It's been very well loved. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
But it was my favorite treasure. It literally was on my bed, and as a young girl, I can remember just staring at it and loving how each little, well, you're sideways. You gotta hold
sideways.
This is the top.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
I can fix this.
Yes.
I'm practicing my dad here right now.
Can you come in closer?
This is what Dad does. He's got strong shoulders, that's for sure. I can't see anything.
That's okay, you're doing good.
Am I there?
And so as a little girl, I just loved how every picture was different. We've got a chicken and a turkey and an airplane and a bow and arrow and a dog. And it was just like this fun little piece of wonder for my imagination as a kid. And like I said, it's been very well loved. It's been through 4 generations of my family now. And so when I had the opportunity to design an embroidery project, I thought, I want to recreate something that meant so much to me.
Yeah.
And so that's what it is. And so as a little nod, here's me as a baby. And this is my great Aunt Lynn.
To the other side over there.
It was originally her quilt, and she gave it to me. And her mama, Fern, made it for her. So super fun. And then our kids love to use it in like blanket forts. They put it on the ceiling and, you know, lay up and look at the pictures.
Yeah.
And so they have core memories of it as well.
Well, I think one of the fun things too is like some of the patterns, you know,
Yes.
in here, she like, they're the same ones.
Yeah,
so
we
it's like
used
fun
as
to use that
inspiration.
inspiration, got a bunch of the
Yeah.
actual embroidery.
Yeah, such a fun nod. And it was super fun to share it with my great Aunt Lynn. She was so touched by it. And so this is
You got her a kit, right?
Yes, I did get her a kit.
She at least deserves that.
This is how it comes. It's called a project keeper. And if you were a child of the 80s and 90s like me, we loved our trapper keepers. And so I thought, why not make one for our embroidery supplies? So for our grown-up hobbies, we can keep everything in order. And so when you open it up, the first thing you get is this Favorite Things Peel and Stitch embroidery book. And so it has 96 different options for you to choose from. And so they're all in here. It's okay.
Yeah.
And then at the beginning, there's instructions and a little story about it.
Well, and they have the
and
color guides, yeah, too.
It's all in there. And the beautiful thing is, whether you're making a baby size or a throw size, there's enough designs for you to just kind of pick the ones that speak to you to make it special and your own.
Well, and I think you can reorder just these, right?
Well,
Or
so
this book?
when you buy this, you also get access to the digital downloads.
Okay.
So once you've used these, you could print them again on more peel and stitch and make as many as you want. So super
See?
fun.
She's thinking of everything, guys, I'm telling you.
And it also comes with your little embroidery hoop. I've been using this, so it has extra goodies in here. So it comes with your embroidery
fun.
hoop, and it fits exactly a charm square.
The camera is cool.
I know, that little vintage camera.
Ashlyn will love that.
And so it's designed for your little 5-inch square to fit inside this hoop just perfectly. Comes with a needle minder, needles, scissors, of course, everything you need. But the other really cool part of this book is this special.
Oh, that comes off?
It comes off. So if you don't want to take it, you can just bring your thread. So it comes with 12 colors of the pearl cotton. And this little keeper, I don't know if you guys can see, but there are grommets on here. So you never have to juggle your thread anymore. It just feeds out one strand of your thread so you can thread your needle and keep it all organized and tidy. This was like my organizational dream come true. I am so excited that we were able to pull this off, and then it just sticks right back in there. And then
These are all the colors you used in the pattern.
Exactly.
But you could, after these are used up, you could put new ones in there.
Exactly, that's right. So you can make it your own, customize it if these colors that come with the kit aren't exactly what you have in mind. And the pattern that I designed to go along with it will go with any jelly roll. So truly you can just pick fabric that you love, and it will just be an amazing heirloom for you to enjoy forever, for generations, I hope. So anyway, thanks for letting me talk about it. I'm so proud of it.
No, it's a great product for sure.
It's super exciting. It's been over a year in the works, and so to see it, come out and to be able to share it with you is just a really special thing. So anyway, it's been fun catching up with you.
A nice Tuesday Newsday today.
And
beautiful day.
We can't wait to see you guys next week in town. So come.
Book the trip. Let's come. Birthday bash is going to be awesome.
That's right. We'll see you there with our boots on.
Yeehaw!